Welcome back to Zach's Guns, guys. I am Zach, here with, you guessed it, another gun. But as you can see, we're doing something a little different this time. Usually you see me shooting first person, showing you a gun real quick, but I want to expand the channel, try some new things. So let's start with an unboxing, shall we? Just had a birthday, decided to treat myself with something nice. So we got ourselves a performance center. Let's check it out. Classic Smith & Wesson brown paper. And there she is, the Smith & Wesson 629 Performance Center Compensated Hunter. Beautiful revolver. Got a 7.5-inch barrel. Got those nice ports in the front. Nice mount for your scope, whatever you want to put on there. 6-round cylinder. Does have the lock on it. It does make it look a little ugly, but what can you do? I don't think they're going anywhere anytime soon. These here are actually VZ grips. Came with wooden grips, but they were rattling, so I sent those back to Smith for replacements. Also came with this hoe grip, which is nice. It's comfortable. It looks decent, but honestly, I think it looks a little cheap. I think it deserves better. So we got the premium VZ grips, super grippy, fit perfectly. Love it. This thing's got the Performance Center trigger. Let's check it out. Single action. That is perfect. Double action is nice and smooth as well. Can't beat that. Let's check out that trigger picture, or sight picture I should say. Not bad. What else do we get? Alright. Figured I'd pick up some accessories to go with it. Got myself an HKS speed loader. Got the pouch to go with it. Those are the Model 29. Case is plastic. I thought this thing would be leather, but yeah, what can you do? Pretty cool little gadget to have with it. Also picked up a leather holster. This is made by Tagua holsters. You can see that. Nice leather. This is actually made for GP 100, but fits this thing just fine. Yeah, as you can see, the muzzle does stick out, but it's kind of hard to find something that fits a 7.5-inch compensated barrel. Snaps over the hammer nicely. Nice and secure. Not a bad holster for the price. For ammo, got some Winchester white box. You'll be seeing this on the next video. We'll be doing some shooting with this thing. And that's it, guys. Just thought I'd show you my new Performance Center 629. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next vid.